Hello everyone and welcome to another Reddit ads tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to create remarketing audiences in Reddit ads. Before we go straight to the point, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. Job number one, you visit your Reddit ads account, you log in, you open the mega menu from the left hand side and you are going to select Audience Manager. Once we are here on Audience Manager, we're going to say New Audience, we're going to say Custom Audience, and we have two options when it comes to remarketing audiences: website retargeting and Reddit engagement retargeting. Let's start with website retargeting because that's what most of you want to do. So once we select website retargeting, we're going to give our audience a name. So let's say we want to retarget people who visited the cart page but did not buy. Okay, so we want to do this. We are going to select the Reddit pixel event. So before we are able to set up website retargeting on Reddit ads, we need A, to have a Reddit pixel installed on all the pages of our website, and B, we need to have events set up relevant to what we want to use to remarket. So in this case, we need to have an add to cart event. Now, for those of you who don't have the Reddit ads pixel installed or you don't have events configured, both videos are in the description below. So you can learn how to install the Reddit pixel, how to create events. Once you have the events ready, then you simply select the event and then you select the Lookback window. So you can go up to 90 days. Now, obviously, you can see here you need at least 50 plus members to the event that you selected to create an audience. So this is an inactive Reddit ads account. So we don't have the 50 members, but as long as you have an event that has at least 50 hits, at least 50 conversions, you can use it to create remarketing audiences. So as you notice here on Reddit, we don't have an option to play with the URLs the same way we do in other channels. So first we need to configure events, then we use the events to create the remarketing audiences. There is a second option, as I told you before. So you can click here New Audience, Custom Audience, and the second option is Reddit Engagement Retargeting. So in this case, we are not going to use visits on our website or what people did on our website to retarget. We are going to rely on any of these engagement type options here. So we are going to create an audience of people who engaged with our ads before, or who have seen our ads, or who clicked on our ads, or who watched our videos. And whatever option you select, the next thing you need to do is you need to select the campaign. So when you say, for example, I want to create a remarketing audience based on people who clicked my ads before, then we need to click here under seed campaign, select the campaign that we refer to, and select the look back window. So we can go up to 180 days, which is half a year. So long story short, when it comes to Reddit ads retargeting, two options: website retargeting, engagement retargeting. In order for you to go with website retargeting, two prerequisites: Reddit pixel installed on all pages, events configured. Then you come here, you select the event, you create the audience. You can select also multiple events, right? So you can select multiple events, you customize your events, you can actually select multiple events here, so you have more control on your remarketing audience. Option number two, you don't want to do that, you can go with retargeting audience based on engagement. We have options to retarget people who engage with our ads, either engaged, seen the ads, click the ads, watch the videos. We select the option, we select the campaign we refer to in the lookback window, we save, and that's it. That's the options that we have on Reddit ads. If you are wondering about customer lists, we have also another video on exactly that, how you can upload your emails. That's yet another option to go with when it comes to audiences in Reddit ads. That's it. That's how you can create remarketing audiences in Reddit ads. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone.